Hello everyone. Last session we have discussed the hard questions of a pair of linear equation in two variable. In this session also we will discuss some more hard questions of pair of linear equation in two variable. So let us see here. The question is, I consider here the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. If each of them save the rupees 2000 per month, so how to find out their monthly income? So what is the monthly income? You have to find out. So two persons are given here. Their income of two persons are given, that is 9:7, and the ratio of their expenditure is given 4:3. So each of them have to save the 2000 rupees monthly, means you have to find out their monthly income. What is the income of two persons in monthly? So first step, here is the solution. First step, let the income of person 1 is equal to 9x. So here you have to take the 9x, don't take the x and y, because directly given the ratio. Suppose they not given in the ratio, means we have considered as a x and y, but here given the ratio. That's why we take let the income of person 1 or first person is 9x, and let the income of person 2 or second person can take, that is 7x. Here we consider income of person 1 and income of person 2, that is 9x and 7x. Next you have to take, or this one is can consider as a case 1. In case 1 they given income of the person 1 and income of the person 2. So that's why case 1, let the income of person 1, that is 9x, and income of the person 2, that is 7x. In case 2 you can take let the expenditure of person 1 is that is 4x. First one is person 1, second one is person 2. Here also first one is person 1, second one is person 2 or second person. So next, let the expenditure of person 2 or second person is 3x. First one step, case 1 you can write income of the person 1, that is 9x, income of the person 2, that is 7x. Case 2 is given expenditure, so let the expenditure of the person 1, that is 4x, and expenditure of the person 2, that is 3x. And if each of them saves the rupees 2000 per month, so how to find out their monthly income? What is the monthly income of how much monthly income of person 1 and person 2 you have to find out. So this type of problem you can find out by column and rows method, or you can use same method also. See here, this is a person 1, this one is person 2. First one they are write here income. Let the big column, this one is income. Here you can write expenditure. Last one you have write save. How much they will save. Column and row method also you can find out, or usually how to use common method also you can find out this answer. So first one is person 1, income is given, that is 9x, expenditure of the person 1, that is 4x, saving is given 2000. Next, person 2, income is given 7x, expenditure is given 3x, saving is given 2000. This method also you can find out the x and y value, that is income of the person 1 and income of the person 2. So income first person 9x, expenditure of first person, that is 4x, saving is 2000. Similarly person 2 income is 7x, expenditure is 3x, saving is 2000. So how to make the equation? Sorry, this is you have to take y we have to take, because person income of the first person is 9x and expenditure of the first person is 4x. X means we won't get the answer. 9x minus 4x will get the 5x. So that's why we take here x taken means you can take here. This is y. This is also y. Sorry for that. So expenditure of the first person is 4y and expenditure of the second person is 3y. So here also have to make the correction, that is y and y. Income is you have to consider as x and expenditure you have to consider as y, and saving is total amount directly they given 2000 rupees. So now you have to write first one equation 9x. This is the income. How much expenditure? That is minus 4y, and total saving, that is 2000. This is the equation 1. Next 7x. This is income, expenditure, that is minus 3y, total second person also saving the rupees 2000 monthly. This is second one equation. Now comparing the equation 1 and 2, just we want to eliminate the any one term. Means for example I want to eliminate the y term, means here the coefficient of y is 3, here the coefficient of 4. So that's why I will multiply first one equation by the 3 and second equation by the 4. Then only it become the coefficient of y and y in equation 1 and 2 become the equal. So that's why I have to multiply with 3 and this one is multiply with 4. Coefficient of y is here, that's why I have to 3 multiply with the coefficient equation 1, and here coefficient of y is the 4, that's why I have to multiply with the 4. Suppose you have to multiply the equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4, means we get, that is 3 9s are 27x minus 4 3s are 12y, next 2 3s are 6000, next 4 7s are 28x minus 3 4s are 12y and 2 4s are 8000. Now just you have to change the sign, here minus plus opposite sign you have to write, and this one is minus. So 12y plus 12y get cancelled. Minus 12y plus 12y get cancelled. The answer remainder is 28x plus 27x, means that is minus 6, equal to here 8 minus 6. 8 is greater, backside is minus, that's why I have to take here minus 2 and 000 keep as it is. Minus minus get cancelled. So x equal to, I will solve here that continuing part. So x value is equal to x equal to 2000. This is the expenditure of the first person or expenditure of the second person. You have to substitute in that, means we will get the expenditure. Next one, put x equal to 2000 in equation number 1 or 2. So you have to substitute in equation number 2. Second one equation is, that is 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. So 7x value is 2000 minus 3y is equal to 2000. Now we have to multiply, means 7 2s are 14 minus 3y is equal to 2000. So 14,000 plus means it become minus is equal to 3y. Minus 3y means it become plus 3y. So next step, 14 minus 2, that is 12. 30 keep as it is, equal to 3y. Next step is 12,000 into 3 means it become divided by 3 is equal equal to 1. So 3 1 is 3 4. 4000 equal to y, or y equal to 4000. So next one step you can write here conclusion step. Therefore or hence, any one term we have to use here. Hence the income of first person is 9x. 9 into x value is how much? 2000, that is 18,000. Next one, the income of second person is 7x. Before step we have to consider that is the income of first person and income of the second person. Income of first person we have to consider that is 9x and income of the second person that is 7x. So 7 into x value is 2000, 7 to the 40,000. Next, so this is the income, means monthly salary is 18,000 and monthly second person monthly salary is 14,000. And you want to find out the expenditure also, means you can find out here the expenditure of the first person that is 4x, expenditure of the second person that is 3x. Suppose you have to substitute, means you will get, see here, expenditure also you can find out. Next one is the expenditure of first person is 4x, 4 into, sorry, 4y. This is 4y. Expenditure we have to consider as a y. That's why I have to take the 4y. Y is how much? 4,000 and 4 4 is 16. Expenditure is 16,000. Next, the expenditure of second person, that is 3y, 3 into 4,000, 3 4 is 12,000. See here, comparing the first and second, this is the income of first person 18,000 and expenditure of the first person that is 16,000. 18 minus 16, he has saving the 2,000. So similarly, second one, in income of the second person that is 14,000 and expenditure of the second person that is 12,000. 14 minus 12 is 2,000. So condition, according to the condition, the comparing this statement and this statement is right, because last one sentence they are given each person has saved 2,000 rupees per month. So income person 1 you can write person 1 income minus expenditure. Income is how much? 18,000. Expenditure is 16,000 is equal to 2,000. Next, person 2 you have to find out. A second person, income minus expenditure means you will get income of the second person is, that is 14,000 and expenditure of the second person is 12,000. 14,000 minus 12,000 is, that is 2,000. So this is the answer of how to find out the expenditure and income type of question is given, means you have to follow the same steps, we will get the answer. So next class we will discuss some more hot questions of pair of linear equations.